Sanibona. Ya, umongameli lo uSiphiwe wakaMaduma. Namuhla sise eVenda High Court la besize khona for i-court appearance ye chairperson ye youth desk uSihle Mabhena. So abangenile ngaphakathi babonakala ngathi abakujabulele abakuzwe ngaphakathi. So athi sinikeze umnumzane ithuba la athi ukusichazela kabanzi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Mnumzane wami sawubona.
Sabona bhuti kunjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani mnumzane?
Ngiyaphila mfowethu.
Sikhuluma nobani namhlanje?
Okhulumayo uNtokozo kaMthembu, spokesperson yaseGoverning Mbeki First.
Spokesperson saseGoverning Mbeki First. Njengoba benika court appearance today, what was the verdict le beyenzeka la ngaphakathi?
Mfowethu uyazi number 1 before sikhuluma ngento eyenzakale laphakathi ecourt, ngidisappointed kakhulu ngendlela okwenzakale ngakhona. Icase postponed for the 3rd time today. And the reason namhlanje ukuthi icase ingahlali ukuthi umshini lo o recorder awusebenzi. I find it very frustrating ukuthi size ecourt icourt ivulwe siphinde sitshele ukuthi umshini awusebenzi. Remember ukuthi njengoba sila there's about 20-25 members akhona la awe Governing Mbeki First. Bayeke imisebenzi yabo engicabanga ukuthi ngabe ibenzela iproduction and decided to come and attend the court. There's cost implications, transport, time, everything, we understand. And every time a case is postponed, you must remember what they are expenditures. So one is wondering, is there any IT people abakona? Because it's a court day today, and then suppose with Jonkin Dongabe is assessment. I would have understood that ear pause for some few hours. The IT is busy. Then afternoon is in a case. But clearly it shows good basis a level of postponement because first thing a colonial magistrate would case in 19. Then we have to come back again. 19 May.
May from Feb to May.
19 May.
Okay.
Am I correct? 19 May. Yeah, 19 May. Yeah, 19 May. 19 May is yeah, May.
So which means ama resources state esinawo nabo bonke abantu ku IT department abakhona should we couldn't find an alternative, maybe do manual writing down of ama proceedings. I-proceedings khona continue just kube nezinto okubhalwe manually just like it used to occur in the olden days. Don't you think mhlawumbe ukuthi ama systems anjalo if they do not have them in place funa arivethwe abuye back abekhona?
Iqiniso eliphelele lelo mfethu bona like for an example kuma license departments if ukuthi ba offline bayenza manually lento le when they are back online bathatha le information bayifaka ngapha. I think that's the very same thing ebekumele ukuthi ngabe iyenzakele la. So njoba ingenzakali you ask yourself ukuthi ngomhla ka19 izabe isebenza na kusho ngomhla ka19 mabe ukuthi ayisebenzi futhi then it's the same exercise. So into engaphili uyabona ukuthi kuyadlalwa la.
No, nizweleke nani ubekile amazwi uspokesperson kodwa nje niyamuzwa akeneme neze ngenxa yayicourt ukuthi ayibanga nezinto zayo in place ngoba I think okubalekile whenever you set ama court dates you know ukuthi ozayo ozo attend and those who are going to support abanye mhlambe basuke ekudeni cost akhona kuleyo part of leyo process. Ngakho ke kubaleke kakhulu ukuthi ama courts whenever they are issuing ama dates they must ensure ukuthi everything is in place. If electronically their systems fail fane babe ne backup. Sizokwenza njani? Sikhona ukuqhuba izinto manually. Spokesperson siyabonga kakhulu.
Yeah, just to sum up mfethu. I've seen abotishera bebakhona la abaningi. And it's a school day today. So ngizibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani ngabantwana ngalesikoleni because they are supposed to be having ama classes and ebala icourt ngomhla ka19 futhi kusho ukuthi abantwana bawumisa ama lessons and no wonder ama results wabantwana aphuma anjena every December. Ngiyabonga futhi.
Sibongeke lapho chairperson. Thank you. Sanibonani. Yebo uSiphiwe Maduma lo umongameli. Namuhla ngiphethe i-chairperson ye-youth desk uSihle Mabhena who was making his court appearance for the 3rd time. Yeah, siyazi kuthiwa iyaqhubeka iyapostpone and if you do not know, yebo, the reason why I attend a court appearance it's because he stood up against i-GBV or should we say ingane lezi ezihlukumezwayo esikolweni. Angithi niyazi ukuthi in most cases we tend to turn a blind eye ey'ntweni ey'ningi ezenzakalayo, othisha abalala ney'ngane, izinto ezikanjalo. So he took a stand wathi no means no, it must come to an end. Ingakho ke agcine ala izikolo zifaka i-protection order against yena ukuthi akangasondeli kuzona, akangaqhumani nezingane zesikolo. So lokho ke kusenza sibe nombuzo ukuthi ingabe ukuba yizwi lalabo abangakhona ukukhuluma kuyiqala na. Kodwa ke awuthi sikhulume naye uchairperson isimuzo ukuthi uthini. Mfo sawubona.
Usawubona mongameli.
Unjani mfowethu?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Hayi mfowethu siyaphila. Siyezwa ke la njengoba bekasho spokesperson we-GMF ukuthi your court case has been postponed again to 19 zika May ngenxa yokuthi ama system ala high court awasebenzi electronically. So wena kukwenza uzizwe kanjani solo uyafika la khaya kodwa i-verdict ayiphumi, uyajika uyabuya?
Ekubhlungu because lempi le yokukhulumela abantwana ngifila ngathi bazama ukungithulisa from ukuchubeka naye because yona impa ayikakapheli. Lethi sifuna ukuceda ngale protection order so that sokhona ukuchubeka communicate nabantwana silwe nalama cases walabantwana abahlukunyezwa abothisha esikolweni. So mama basoloko bayipostpone so babanikeza isikhathi sokuthi sidelay le process ebese sicalile. Ngifila ngathi sesidelay ongamabomu manje ngisatholi kwenzakalani because as soon as iphele lento sizimisele ngokuchubeka nalamacala sisiza abantwana sibavikele from yonke lento eyenzakalayo.
Ngiyazwela ke nana ngithi ukuthi ayikho into ebalekile njengokuseka ingane. Siyazi in most cases abazali they tend to be judgmental uma ingane ziza ngaphambili neinformation. Kodwa ke uchairperson kuloku he took a risk wathi no man awuthi ngiphakame ngizwe ukuthi izingane njengoba zithi zihlukunyezwa hothisha. Angicabangi nawe lapha ekhaya ukuthi ungajabula ukuthi ingane uyithumela ukuthi iyofunda bese yona seyanukubezeka esikolweni ngoba isikolo must be a safe ground for kids ngoba yela kufanele bazizwe banjani baphephe khona. Ngakho ke siyamseka uchairperson ngokuthi amele ingane, although uniyazi na ukuthi fanele kulandele all the legal channels angithi ingane zivula amacala kanjalo. So ubelekelela zona ingane ukuthini zigather information, zigather all the evidence that is required kuzokhona ukuthi uma kuyiwe enkantolo iqala lifike libe nesindo. Manje ka ungitshele ke person from here ukuya phambili ngaphandle kwecala njengoba ushilo ukuthi uzochubeka ngaphandle, ingabe njengoba usho ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi bazama ukukwenza uthule uzochubeka nokulekelela izingane noma nawe amanzi asengena emadolweni usuyasapha?
Ukulekelela ingane into engeke ngiyeke ukungena endabeni zezikole kwamanje ngizohlonipha i-protection order but ukusiza abantwana as individuals angeke ngiyekele. Sazochubeka already makuqala unyaka senzile i-back to school campaign. Saqhubeka sayisiza ingane ngendlela engeze ngifake enkingeni. Kodwa nje into engifuna abantu bayazi ukuthi mina ngisumuntu obhedayo. Intention yami ukusiza abantwana akusukuthi ngimoshela abantwana ifuture njengoba basho la estradini. Abantu abamoshela abantwana ifuture laba bavikela abantu ababahlukumezayo esikolweni hayi mina.
Ngizwileka ngithi bazali okunye ke okuxakile kakhulu ukuthi kubo bonke abantu abazoseka uchairperson abazala ngibabuni uyabona, including bona bazo izingane lezi bekade kulekelelwa zona. So umuntu akabe neqiniso ezabantu asibeni neqiniso uma umuntu alwela inkululeko yabantu nento ezokwenza ukuthi izwe kusasa libe in a better state. I think we should fully support that person ukuze ama perpetrator azobona ukuthi sinibhekile asithule. Chairperson, thank you so much for one.
Nami ngiyabonga.
Sanibona. Yebo, umongameli lo uSiphiwe wakaMaduma. Namuhla nginosisi la umhlali ozosupporta uchairperson we-youth desk njengoba bekenza his third court appearance. Mama sawubona.
Sanibona kunjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani? Umama ubani?
Thembelihle lo waka Abrams hlala khona lambalenhle.
Waka Abrams. Thembelihle ungadlali ngami uqinisekisile ukuthi waka Abrams.
Ya Abrams.
Alright.
Makhaladi yabo la wathanda yabo. Yeah.
Tshela mina ke njengoba namuhla bowuzoseka uchairperson sisiphi isizathu sakhe senza ukuthi udele konke okwenze lokushini uzuzomseka la eHigh Court.
Singasho nje ukuthi usihle ne uvezele elinye point nje besingacabanga ukuthi uzokhona umuntu ongafinyelela lapho agcine sakayeka bambile lento ugcine seyivela sobala vele dala singasho nje ukuthi thina beyidala ikhona lento ezikoleni just singasho ukuthi besihide out besaba ukukhuluma since uwazi ukuthi khona abantu abanepower ukudlula wena nje ezi ubona nje sila namhlanje.
Okushoyo engu-highlightayo uthi wena lento le yokuhlukunyezwa kweingane zesikolo noma ukuthi othisha bahlukumeza izingane zesikolo into ejwayelekile just that izingane azinalo iphimbo lokuzimela.
Angasho kanjalo chaza.
So okusho kona ukuthi nawe akhona ama victims as much as you will never mention them aba undergo the same trauma kodwa abakhetha ukuzithulela.
Akuningi kakhulu since vele besibambe sigela nani bekhona nje just my besingayo benganayo lento le ukuthi singakuveza nani ezusihle akhonile ukuyiveza lento le khona ukusimela ezisikhona namhlanje.
Okay. Yabona engikuzwayo enkulumweni yakho ukuthi uchairperson we-youth desk isenzo lesi asenzile siyanithokozisa ngoba uvele wakhuluma wathola ukuthi nabakade behlukunyezwa nabahlukunyezwa manje bakhona ukuza phambili nabo bazokhona ukukhipha ama-perpetrator lawa abahlukumezayo. Ngakho kutshela mina njengoba iqala libe lelipostpone lokho kukwenza ufile kanjani uzizwa ngathi othisha laba abahlukumeza izingane bazogcine baboshiwe noma ngokucabanga kwakho lizopostpone lize lichithwe abantu bagcine bangaboshwanga kodwa izingane ezihlukunyeziwe?
Mina ucabanga wami ngathi usihle bafuna ukumgcikela phansi ngoba lento le bomyenza ngathi uzo give up phela every time uzogcina give upile number 1 la size ngemali asisebenzi asina next so zamile ukuthi sihlanze yo traffic ukuthi size la sizomsupport ezento le bevele ikhona kusukela kudala so singakhona ukuyikhuluma ebantwini so besho ukuthi bamyenzela ukuthi agcine sakalahla ithemba ukuthi akusehayi lento le ayikho.
No, ngiyakuzwa mama. Thank you so much for ukukhuluma nathi. Ube nosuku oluhle ngithi.
Asabonga kakhulu.
Danke.